Today we're going to be looking at the new RidgeMonkey Grilla BBQ with the extra edition. The best thing about it is actually three-way barbecue. So if you go to a campsite and you're not allowed coal or wood, you have the addition of adding gas. So let's get it open. Got an onion ready. Really love to cook this onion and a barbecue. So let's get this done. For spatula. This is all made of stainless steel as well. Got, I believe, some tongs. So we've got some tongs here as well. These are also stainless steel, but good size. And the best thing about these is they've got the little pull-out piece here, so you can leave them on the side and they don't open. Love it. Throw that away. This supposedly should be a quick 10-second job. And if, who doesn't like a quick job? Nice zip. It's a plastic zip, not a metal one, that it goes all the way around, so easy access. Who doesn't like easy access? Instructions, but who cares about those? And this is a dual fuel one, so you can do it through wood, coal and gas. And it's off the ground, so you have no issues with burning anything. So this is where I probably wish that I would have done the instructions, but let's see if we can do it without the instructions. So is drop it like that as one, and then you pull it out both ends. So this is the extra component that you can add into the center if you're going to cook off of the grill, and it's the full width of the barbecue, so everything cooks evenly. It comes with an adjustment there, so you can decide how much gas you want to come through, but that is the device. But as you can see, very well made. So let's get this all set up. So this is the chopping board with a nice little wooden feature. Yeah. Cool. But this bit here also sides up, so you can angle it. Right. So this is the part for the gas, and you just toss it through these two holes here. And you just hook it onto there, and then it's got a little secure flap. So this is the heat guard.
Yeah, that protects the main thing from any fat dripping off it and that.
Okay, and that just slots into these sections. Fuel goes on the top. So they recommend a twisty top Calagas bottle, and it comes with an adjustable knob there for the valve for your gas. So I'm just going to push it on and twist it.
Yeah, you just screw it in like a light bulb.
That way?
No, the other way.
The other way.
So keep going, you'll leave it eventually.
1 hour later.
Just safety of having long hair, make sure you move your hair out of the way. My hair nearly went into the fire. I literally just thought about it a second ago. So twist your hair out of the way. I don't want to become a, what's it called, a bald head. Right, so what do I do? Just turn it on max and what, push it in?
Turn it on max.
Yeah.
And then push the button on the...
Oh, here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can we get this closer? That's it, I think. Turn it up.
Below, you can see the flames. If you look down in the reflection of the stainless steel, can you see the metal fleckers?
Yeah.
So That is already getting really hot. And you get a little spatula and these tongs, which I absolutely love because they come with the safety bit there.
And
then you got your chopping board.
We've got the,
so this is a barbecue hot plate. It is an extra add-on, and I think it's about 20 quid on Amazon. This is the added on hot plate. And this goes on top, yeah?
yeah, just put it on the top. That's it.
Beautiful. So this is great for if you're doing things like onions, or if you want to do like a breakfast, maybe if you're into a barbecue breakfast. Yeah. A griller. A RidgeMonkey.
So you going to? All right.
Yeah, and you?
Doing after this.
Well, I'm going up to
We'll let you know how we get on with it as a fire pit later, because at the moment we're going to eat this food.
So we're going to finish up here with the RidgeMonkey 3-way Gorilla BBQ. Not only can you use wood, coal and gas, which means it's suitable for any campsite and any location, but it also comes up completely compact. With one movement you get a whole barbecue. It's completely flat pack and stainless steel, and you get all the little tools with it as well. It will be on my Amazon storefront. The link is down below, and get yourself one. We will be putting this through all of its reviews. This includes using it as a fire pit, so stay tuned as we check this out and put it through all of its steps. And I will see you on the next one.